Well, let's see. It's been snowing all day. And it's about 0 right now with the wind chill. Big old flakes. Ow, they're hard. Brr. Yeah, it's really cold out here. The truck's getting a little snowed on because I didn't get it under the carport. Yeah, there we go. Let's see what the yard looks like here. Oh, look at it blowing and snowing. Yeah, it's really cold out here. And snow's coming down real good. Yeah, it's like 17 degrees, and then with the wind it's 0. Holy cold. Oh yeah, look at this shit blow. Yeah, it's blowing. Cool. Yeah, I don't mind the winter. I don't mind the snow that much. We grew up with snow, so it's kind of a treat for a change. But it's kind of weird that it's out on March. I mean, this is like January weather. So I don't know what's going on with the weather these days, but this is like 2 months later than it should be. Alright, well, this is what it's doing today. Getting quite a little pile up of it here. Alright, I'm going back in. I'm freezing.